Hi, and welcome to this video on the risk matrix by Profitbase. So you could have identified a lot of risks, assigned some values to them on probability and impact. Showing them in a list is not very intuitive. It's hard to see the total picture. So we recommend using our risk tool. Add it to the screen, add your individual risks to the category, then add the corresponding values for probability and impact. And there you go. This is a much easier way to illustrate your risks, to see where they are placed in the matrix and which you should look out for. The visual is interactive, so you can click on whatever you want, like you're familiar with in Power BI. So select this bubble with 10 risks and you'll see those listed in another visual. You can also select different colors, so you can change the existing colors just to pick your own whatever you want. But you can also change the layout. Instead of a 5x5, you can do a 3x3, a 2x2, 5x3 if that's your thing. And you can also go into edit mode and individually select the color of different sectors. So if I want this to be red, I just click it, and then it's toggling through a list of colors to go to the next color. So if I click on this yellow, it's going to go from this down to the red one. So that's a quick introduction to the risk matrix by Profitbase. We should have more videos on YouTube on this, so please take a look if you're interested.